122, Tesla, 52-week high, 594.50, right up here at that very top. Let's go ahead and get this out of the way. We gapped up today. 560 calls, burnt rubber all the way to the highs, made that 52-week high. Immediately, we started seeing the diamonds go down in value. And right now, we are actually lower than what that opening bell gap was right here, right now. So the 590 put options are paying because we've come all the way down. And this is a 15-minute chart. You can see all these diamonds right here coming in on Tesla. But nonetheless, the gains disappeared and the Dow Jones went negative and markets are at all-time highs. But we've seen it in a lot of other names, not just this one. But this is what we're looking for. That gap open, the call option, the 560 calls ripped to the highs, getting out up here. Guess what happens in our system? You can see where the diamonds are going lower in value and you're dropping like a rock. And this is a 15-minute chart so that you can clearly see that people don't know when to sell. So when they get a gap and you trade those options all the way up to the highs, you get great moves. And that is what we are always going to tell you to focus on, is that price action. And so we'll continue to let you know that the low, which we just now put in going into the closing bell in about 33 minutes. So we can see where we got support right here and how these diamonds are coming up in the values off of the low that we just put in at 559.10, 549.50 off on the high, 595 put options. You can see the diamonds are going down in our application. They don't lie. The math doesn't lie. It can't lie. And that's the nice thing about it. And understanding that real bull markets do shake buyers out like this on Tesla with a 52-week high, 594.50. Just now sold down to 559.10 pennies, and it did. So the 590 put option reversal right here paid all the way down, let it be known, and it got support, and you have to know when to come out. We're out of it now because it got support down here. And we can see the bounce. So this is live. 31 minutes to the closing bell. And 1819 IR means that it's not real strong. It's below 25. And so there's a lot of things that go on in here mathematically relative to price. And that's how you spot this bottom that we're identifying right now. And we are. And I can show you what it looks like. You can see where all the diamonds are coming up off of the bottom with the price. And that's when you have to know that the application tells you to come out of the put options of the 590 puts so that you don't lose your value as it keeps going higher, as you can see live right now. And each one of these lines are $2.52, 1/8 delta. And that's how mathematically it is. And we've come up 1, 2, 3 of those times 252. 24 IR, still, there you go, 25. Now, for this to be true, we would have to break above 50 on this IR and get above 35 on the way up. So we'll keep you tuned in on Tesla, knowing when to come out of those put options on that turn. And what the diamonds were showing you right here, it told you you had to come out. And you did. And that's how you know. 99% of the people do not know when to exit option trades because they don't. They don't have what this is. So each line, $2.52 to the penny. Mathematically, there's the bottom. Bingo. And here we are now at a 25 IR, which is still weak. Like I said, it just can't come up to 25. It won't go any higher. So that's what we're watching, as we can see that where my mouse clicker is going into the closing bell. Tesla gave up all its gains, identifying the bottom to come out of the 590 puts. So let's go back over here again, and we'll just hit those just to make sure, and we'll get this out of the way. We'll recap it one more time. This was what we call a gap open up. So the people that were short Tesla got taken out all the way up to the high. And we have the diamond reversal in Panther here. And you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can see the body of the big, and it's dropping like a rock. And each line is $2.52. And it came down and we just turned. So here's where we're at. We went lower than what that opening bell gap was. And there's a diamond right here, and there's that one. There's the high, and that is the turn right now. And it's when you look at buying the call options off at the bottom, and the strength would be there. So we're watching it very carefully as the gap open up, the 590 puts with the reversal, with the diamonds going down. You need to sign up and get in here. The orders are going to be given to you. This works, and it works fine. IR is at 24. Each line is 2.52 to the penny. One, so we can see that's 1, 2, and 3 times 252. That's what that bottom is at a 25 IR. It won't go higher unless that goes higher, and it won't lag price. So that's the update. Tesla 590 put reversal. Put options pay. Learning lesson A, B, and C incorporated with directional price movements